Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a customer login page to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first what you need to do is simply head over to your online store from sales channel, head over to themes and then customize. Once you are onto your customize section here, you will be able to see that on header we should have various options. So the point of interest is going to be, if you scroll a little bit down, you will be able to see that make sure that you have this enable login basically. So where it is, we have country and region selector. Okay, so this is here. You can simply head over to your customer and account settings, and from there you should be able to adjust your customer accounts. So make sure that that is checked, and here you can easily add your customer login with one-time code sent to their email and no password is needed, and make sure that it is enabled. So yeah, that's how you will be able to incorporate your customer login page to Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.